Hello my great people, karibuni sana. If it's your first time to be on this channel, karibu sana at Kanini Flavors YouTube channel. I hope you're liking what you're seeing. Yes, that's what you're making today. Some scones, the simplest way you can ever make your scones. Usikunywe chai tupu kindly ukiwa na recipe here. Yes, let's try and see. We're going to serve our scones with some chocolate. I hope you like the video and also comment down below. Yes, here we make the simplest recipes. Kauko mgeni, kindly feel karibu sana, and also remember to subscribe, like, share and also comment. Let's start. Oh my. First things first, it's our ingredient. We have our flour. This is for 50 grams, yes, wheat flour. We have our water, 250 ml. We have our sugar, 100 grams. Our yeast will need a 3/4 tablespoon. We have our prestige margarine. This is 35 grams. 1 egg yellow, and then some salt. We'll need a 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Okay, for this recipe, for the scones recipe, an egg is not necessary, but you can put if you have one. Yes, so we'll start with the procedure. Yeah, so I'll put in my flour. Remember, it's for 50 grams. I come in with my yeast. You'll need 3/4 tablespoon, a good 3/4. Yes, so that's it. Then some salt, half tablespoon. Our sugar, then mix them. Like that. I come in with my egg. Remember, it's optional, but if you have unaweza weka. Okay, egg inasaidia kutoweka too much egg yellow, though tunahitaji just a pinch. Like a pinch of egg yellow. Let me have it. A pinch egg yellow. I'll put it inside the water. We just need just kadogo sana to just change the color, and then I come in with my water. Naongeza tu kidogo. As you can see, it's yellow. Let me use my hands. Remember, it's warm water. Warm, not hot, warm. At this point, I come in with my margarine. It's 35 grams. It's like this. Finally guys, here is our dough. It's ready. Ensure that it's not sticking on your hands. Yes, it's very soft. Iko sawa hivyo, so I'll cover it. Let me cover it and allow it to proof. So you'll give it time. Ensure after this umeiweka place warm ndo proof vizuri. Kuproof sini kufura. Yes. Cover it well and allow it to proof. Let's meet after some time. Finally guys, here is our dough after 1 hour. So inakaa hivi, imefura. So I'll just show you. Kuja na kaunga kiasi tu. Nakaa hivi. Iache kustick. That's the essence of the flour. Like that. Kika hivo, let me show you. So here is my cooking sheet. I'm smearing on some Prestige. Sure iko kuote. Then I come with some flour. That's how our pan finally looks like. I set it aside and take my dough. So on this step we are going to cut the dough into small pieces of around 50 grams. Yes, I mean, and you make them as a ball. Like a ball. I'll measure the grams and then I place them on the sheet. Yes, let me show you after I've done the balls and set them. Let me first measure this one. We see that's 70, so I remove 20 grams from this. That's 58. So you can measure your balls to your preferred grams. My scale is a bit so that's it. I'll set it here na space kwa sababu itafura tena. So that's the process. Let me do that. Here we are guys. This is the final thing. Zimetoka ngapi? 4 by 4 16 18. Yes, ni 18 pieces. So hapa tena we give them time. Okay, the first time tulipea 1 hour to proof. So this one tunaipea around 2 hours. Proof ijae, like ishikane. So let me place it in a warm place. Proof, then we get to the next step. Guys, here we are after proofing for around 2 hours. This is how they look like. I had kept them in a warm place, yes, and covered them. So we go to our next step, so come with me. So we come to our oven. We are preheating it for 10 minutes at 200 degrees for both upper and lower heat. So let's give it time to preheat and then we come back. Our oven is already hot, so I'll come in with my prepared scones, already proofed ones, and then place them in there. And then I set my time for 30 minutes at 200 temperature, the upper and the lower heat on. Yes, let's give them time and then I show you how it's proceeding. Our scones are still proofing in there. Zinakaa hivyo, so let's give them time. Our 30 minutes are almost over, so let's wait. As you can see, zimeshikana shikana. Yes, oh sorry. Yeah, zinakaa hivyo. Let's wait for the 30 minutes to be over. Nimebakisha kidogo, less than 10 minutes. It's less than 10 minutes. In the meantime, kwa ukisubscribe ka huja subscribe, ndo hizo dakika ziishe. Countdown has started, ndo tusikie kijizima imeisha the 30 minutes. So bado hazijaiva, we'll set for 20 minutes. I mean 25, and then we reduce. Okay, I had already reduced the heat to allow them sasa ziive. So in the next 20 we'll have our scones ready. I don't know if you're ready for this. I don't know if you're ready. Yes, oven yetu imezima, so let's open. We still 20 minutes zetu imetuproducia nini. Wow, I hope you're liking what you're seeing. Yeah, are our scones. Guys, here they are. I hope mnapenda chenye mnaona. The last thing is to smear your margarine on the scones, ndo zipate that shiny thing, so you can see the difference. Yes, I hope you may like the video. I hope the procedure was as simple as possible. I hope you'll also try. If you do, kindly urudi kwa channel, ucomment, useme venye uliona. And that's it, my guys. I hope you're liking what you're seeing. Zinakaa hivyo. Yes, thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting and also sharing. Till next time, bye bye.